You're looking at our 1921 white Model 20 fire truck, professionally repowered in the 1950s from the original hand crank four-cylinder engine to a 1948 Ford Flathead V8 that runs very good, driven through a four-speed manual transmission and very big brakes. This is a beautiful old fire truck that's in very good condition, absolutely rust-free and very fun to drive. The tires are a bit flat-spotted from sitting on display for 33 years. Comes with a big file of history and technical information, and this fire truck has had the same owner since 1985. Overall, a very nice truck that's very entertaining, easy to keep running, and looks fantastic. Tons of room for friends and a great parade truck. Please email us with any questions or to make an appointment to see the vehicle at gllwestllc@gmail.com. Liquidity Services, a better future for surplus.